Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to put your subscriber count, your video count and your total channel view count in the title of your video. So if this tutorial helped you out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel as well so that don't miss any future videos. So this is just a test video I uploaded a couple months ago actually, to see if I could make this work, and as you can see it currently says that I have 22,500 subscribers, which is correct. So this won't be the exact amount, but it will also be rounded off like YouTube subscriber counts. That's just the only thing you can get from this, sadly. You can get the total amount of video views and the total amount of videos as well, so let's check that. So 6.4,009,395. If we go over here to my about page, you will see that actually it's more updated than what's here. So this is a less updated version of the real deal. So if you want to put this in your title, you can actually get a more updated version of your total view count in the title. And of course there's the number of videos you've uploaded. So I'll show you how to do this while doing it myself as well. So I'll be doing it for the video I uploaded on Friday, where I showed this off to everyone. So let's actually upload that video right now. Here we go, we're uploading the video and I'll show you exactly all the steps you need to do to make this work. So let's create a title first. So there we go, we have our video title. Now these X, Y and Z, we'll change those later. And then you also notice there's a maximum character limit of 100. So make sure that your total amount of subscribers and views and videos not so much that you go over this total amount of view count, or this might not work. But there we go, that's pretty much all you have to do for now. Let me go through all of these settings and I'll get back to you when this video is almost uploaded. Okay, there we go. Now what you need to do next is put your video on unlisted so we can make the program work first. And so for that it can't be private because then it won't work, it has to be unlisted or public. So let's make it unlisted, there we go. And we can save the video now. Next what you need to do is go over to script.google.com. There will be a link in the description of this video as well to this site. And here you can log in with the YouTube channel that you're doing this on. So here's the script that was for that preview video, but let's just create a new project up here. So there we go, you get this right here. And so for the previous video I used the legacy editor over here, so the previous editor. So I'll try my best to make this work over here as well, so it works for you as well. So what you'll need, let's first just rename the project. Also make sure you follow every single step here, because of course if you make a mistake then I can't really help you, right? Watch the video first a couple of times, make sure you've done all the steps I do as well, and then it should all be fine. If it's not fine, once again, I don't know how to fix your problem. Just coding is just trial and error, trial and error, trial and error. Keep working on it and it'll make it work eventually. There we go, let's give it a name, doesn't really matter what. And let's also rename the code, because why not? There we go. So now in the description I will put my code so you can copy it over. So just select everything here, make sure you select everything and paste it. So this is the code you will get. And this is all the code needed to do this. So what you need to change are a couple of things here. So first of all you will need to get the video ID. So here you go, we're at the video we want to change the title of. So let's go and copy the video ID. It's up here after the equal sign. Copy over this code and just paste it in right here between these two quotation marks, like this. And you'll need to do the same back here as well, like this. Next up we also need the channel ID, and this is to get the information. So to get your subscriber count, video total and view total as well. And the part before is just so it knows which video to change the title on. So of course it's already set to my channel, but I'll just show you how to get this code easily. So if you're on a channel, as you can see up here it just says maxed off, but what you need is it to say channel and then a big code. If it's not saying that for you, then you'll need to do something different. So it's not doing that for me, so let's try to find my code. Here we go, let's go over to my channel, just search it up on YouTube. So just click on your channel like this, and then up here you will see your channel code. So if you don't see it over here for some reason, then there's something else you need to do. Go back to this search page, press F12, go to this marker over here and click right here. So Now down here you will see the channel code once again, so you can copy it over from down here. So as I said, I already have that here, so I don't need to change it. For the rest you can leave all of this for what it is. Now over here we have a variable subscribers. This will be the amount of subscribers we have, and it's channel statistics subscriber count. Same for videos and views. And so as you can see, these are the 3 different counts you can find. And down here is the more important part you also need to change. So this is your actual video title. So let's grab our title over here and paste it right here. Now as you can see, we get some errors and stuff like that. So what you need to do is put this between single quotation marks like this. There we go. So that's that. And now we need to actually insert these 3 variables. We have subscribers, videos and views. So more single quotation marks around the X over here, also the Y and the Z as well. And now instead of these X, Y and Z, we need subscribers, videos and views. So what you need to do in between these is just 2 pluses, and then this is the amount of subscribers. So let's add subscribers over here. Just add some more pluses in between for some more clarity. There we go. Same thing over here for amount of videos. So there we want videos. And for Z we want views. There we go. Now we can get rid of this part we had before, like this. Make sure there's a semicolon at the back over there. And now this should all be it. Now to test it, to see if it actually works, what we can do is actually run the function. So click that and let's see what happens. Okay, so we got an error. Let's run it again to see if it still gives an error. Yes, okay, so we have YouTube is not defined. So what we need to do is go over to services like this, and now we need to get to YouTube. So it's all the way at the bottom over here, and what we need to do is go to YouTube Data API, click that one and add it. So version 3, that's all fine. Click add. Now it's adding the service, and there we go. So now you see down here that it says YouTube. So let's run the function again, see if we get any more errors. So now as you can see, we need authorization. So let's click review permissions. And now we need to sign into the YouTube account on which the video is uploaded. You want to change the title of, because to do this it needs some permissions, of course, because it can't just automatically update your title without your permission. So let's go into our channel. It says Google hasn't verified this app, but of course you are the developer of this function, so you can go to advanced and go to subscribers in video title unsave. That's fine. And then over here it says it will manage your YouTube account. Just trust me on this. Of course you can't trust people on the internet, but you can click allow. Of course you can read through the code. See, there's just a couple of lines, there's nothing really going on there. And now as you can see, we get execution completed. So let's go back to our video and let's refresh to see if it has worked. And there we go, we have our subscribers, videos and views in the title. But there's one more problem, we need to automate it, of course. Okay, so now we need to add a trigger. So right over here is a trigger button. So click on that, and as you can see there are no triggers yet, so let's add one at the bottom right over here. And so we need to run this update title function, and now we need to select how often we need it to do this. So you can do this per hour or per amount of minutes as well. So there is a limit on how many times you can run a function like this every day. And so what I will do is not do it every minute, but let's do it every 15 minutes. That's totally fine. It could be then there's around about 15 minutes where the title is wrong, but that's totally fine. So now you can also get notifications, but let's just put it on weekly. I don't really need that. So we can save it at the bottom, and there we go. We now have a trigger added, and now the function will work. As you can see more details here as well for amount of executions and the error rate as well. See how many times this failed. So we first got an error and afterwards it worked. Let's see this for my other projects to show you how big the error rate really becomes. Here's the code for my previous tutorial. So let's see. Our error rate is 0%. We got 951 executions, as you can see. And that's for a 7-day summary. So no problems here at all. And so there we go. That's how to automatically update your title to show your amount of subscribers, videos and views. I hope it all worked for you, and I hope you didn't get too many errors, and I hope you can get through your errors. As I said, you can ask me, but I probably won't get back to you because I don't know what the problem is on your side. And that's just a big problem with code. It's just trial and error, trial and error, trial and error, as I said. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you thought it was helpful. And I want to thank my tier 3 members, Gus, March, Calvin Evers, Zobot, and Smikkelaar. Thank you so much for becoming a tier 3 member by clicking this beautiful blue join button below the video. You should probably check that out as well for yourself, maybe. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you in the next one. So until then, bye bye.